So welcome back. So today we will see a very important thing from MS Excel. So generally MS Excel very useful for offices, schools and even financial sector also it is very useful. So keep on watching the videos what we are posting in the YouTube. So please watch carefully and learn so excellently. So today we will see a general settings from the MS Excel. So very useful tool what we are going to take. So observe carefully and learn. So just what you do, you take a start button. So take the programs, choose MS Office. So choose MS Excel. So now we are minimizing and maximizing the spreadsheet. So now today we will see the already just now the concept today is general settings. So now in the MS Excel very good opportunity is that without using any cursor mouse, without using the mouse you can operate everything. So there are so many hundreds of shortcut keys in the MS Excel. So for the purpose on the keyboard just you press alt today. What happens, observe carefully. So now we are going to observe the shortcut keys for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H, Alt and H for home, Alt and N for insert, P for layout, M for formulas, A for data, R for review, W for view. So now today what you do, just now press the Alt, so go for F, you get file menu. So in the file menu, go for Excel options. So now we are going to observe the color on the ribbon and on the rows and columns is silver color you are going to observe. So now we have different options. So now first one, show mini toolbar on selection. So when we are going to perform some operations on cells, so when you click on right click, so we are going to get mini toolbar, it is S, tick. So enable live preview. So show developer tab in the ribbon, we have not opted here. So now today we will check with any interesting thing is color scheme. So it is in silver, let us go for, I'll change to blue. What happened we will see. So screen tips style, show features description screen tips. So generally we will get the tips while we are working. So now use this font, body font. So font size generally it is, we have changed it to 20. So include this many sheets. So in the next video we will see what are the different sheets where it is. So very important thing is personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Username we are taking Anita here. So now choose language you want to use with Microsoft Office. So language settings also is possible. We can change the language. So now just now we have taken very good observation. Immediately we can change the color of the scheme is blue. So now look at the color of the scheme around the spreadsheet is in blue color. So now just again once again repeating Alt F options, just take the black color. So change the black color. So now this is the general settings. Before doing MS Excel or starting, just learn this one. Once you practice, it is habituated. So again, we are going to take immediate thing is, so this part today we'll see this is called ribbon. So on the ribbon, just I am taking the right click mouse. So we have customized quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar. The above part of the ribbon is called quick access toolbar. So what I am doing, I am changing the below the ribbon. So now observe carefully, this comes down. So this is called quick access toolbar. So again, once again, I'm right click on this one. So change the quick access toolbar. So it is changed to above in the tool ribbon. So now this is called quick access toolbar, means when you're doing or when you're creating some spreadsheets or workbook. So meanwhile you want to save the file something, we use this quick access toolbar. So now today we stop to general settings and how you are going to change the quick access toolbar. In the next video or next class we will see some more interesting topics. We go on in increasing the topic day by day, so please watch carefully. So you will get all the videos when you subscribe this one. Thank you.